Hi there! In this video I will show you how to build Ubuntu server on Oracle Cloud that has 24 gigabytes of RAM, 4 CPUs and 200 gigabytes of disk space. You can do that for free, and according to Oracle this will always be free, so it's pretty cool, getting all this stuff for free. Now some people I've heard complain that, oh, it's not perfect, sometimes you may have to experience some downtime. But I'm thinking, getting it for free, I guess it's not that big of a deal for me if I can get all that for free. So to begin, I'm going to click here in the hamburger menu and then go to Compute, Instances, and then I'm going to go to Create Instance. And here I'm going to give it a name. I'll just call it Ubuntu. I'm going to keep the placement at that AD1. I guess you can try to change it, but I usually just try to go with the default that they're giving me. I guess it doesn't really matter since we're only going to have one machine. So here for image type is where we're gonna change it to make it so we use all the resources that they give us for free. So you can go with their Oracle Linux. I'm just gonna go with Ubuntu because it seems most people prefer that one. So you can go here and change it to Ubuntu, and you can get earlier version if you want. I'll just go with like the 20. And then the next step is here is you're gonna go and change the shape. And what you want to select is this ampere, and then click here. And now here's where you can go and move it all the way to 4 CPUs. And so we selected 4 CPUs and 24 gigs of RAM. And it's going to give you a little warning here that you're going to reach the service limits, but we're cool with that since we only going to have one machine for free, right? Now what you can do is, if you want, is you can have actually 4 machines. You can split that. You can have 4 one-core machines with 8 gigs of, with 6 gigs of RAM each, right? 6 times 4 is 24. And you can do that if you want, but in my case I'm just going to make one big one. So 4 cores, 24 gigs of RAM. And then on networking you can just keep the defaults. You can go ahead, generate a key pair if you want. In my case, I'm just going to use one that I already have. But again, if you want, you can go ahead and download one, I'm sorry. And here for boot volume is where you can specify a custom boot volume, and the maximum that they give you for free is 200 gigs. So I'm just going to put 200. And again, you're going to get that warning that you're going to reach those always free service limits of 200 gigs. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create, and it will take a few seconds and the machine will start provisioning. Okay, once your machine is ready, up and running, you can go ahead and get your public IP from here and go to your terminal or whatever you use to SSH. I'm going to go to my downloads folder and I'll do SSH-I, and I use the 1215 key, right? And then the default user will be Ubuntu. Paste your IP here. Oh, and I misspelled SSH. Go, you can accept this, and we're into our server. So now if we check it, you can check the memory, and as you can see we have 33 gigs of memory here. And if you look up at the disk space, our root is 193 gigs, so the 200 thing that they promise. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple, and according to Oracle this will be always free. So I think that's pretty cool. I know some people again complain about Oracle and the way they do stuff, but I think it's pretty awesome of them, giving all these resources for free, and hopefully they stick to their promise and keep it free. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to you. If you liked it, please click on the like button, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe for my channel.